and I will take you in my arms and hold you right where you belong until the day my life is through. This I promise you. This I promise you. I've loved you forever in lifetimes before, and I promise you never will you hurt anymore. I give you my word, I give you my heart. This is a battle we won, and with this vow, forever has now begun. Just close your eyes each loving day and know this feeling won't go away till the day my life is through.